Introducing aPriori.
Here's an example of the spreadsheet tool that we use to kind of keep track of all this stuff. Across the top are the different factories. So Assumption, Taylorville, Paris, these are all factories in Illinois. As you go down the rows, these are the different machines or processes on the shop floor that we're accounting for. Right, so in Assumption, we've got a lot of green boxes and check marks. These are all processes that are fully vetted and tested out and are in production. If you look at the China JV column, there's a factory that we're just getting started with, identifying what they have on the shop floor, and haven't even really started with the calibration yet. So this is what we're continuing to do. As we get one finished up, we take those resources and move them on to the next factory.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.